Yo, something's different here, man.
Beats me. But welcome back to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And guess what we're making today?
Today we're making the classic Schnitzel on a bun.
It's gonna be delicious. We're making a little horseradish apple slaw, nice fresh Kaiser roll, and let's get into this recipe.
A little German heritage.
Woo!
Just need.
Oh, dude, you ready?
Oh, that looks so good.
Everywhere feels good.
Chester's just trying to beat it.
We used to have them.
I haven't used it yet.
They won't poo out.
Oh, it only poos in your house? It eats in like fucking 30 seconds.
Crispy Sunday roast.
A crisp. We're supposed to be adding another 30 seconds of the video for one.
Yeah. You want a paper towel thing?
One second.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you in a few weeks. Sounds good.
That was phenomenal, spectacular, superb, supper time, dinner time. Let's eat, enjoy. See you next week.